the Republic of Korea, a remarkable functional technology powerhouse. And BuyoungMetal Co Limited stand in the center of technology. BuyoungMetal was founded in 1981 based on top-notch technological power and financial strength in its industry. We at BuyoungMetal have developed and supplied a wide range of metal products to all industries. Our products, which are exported worldwide, are recognized for their high quality. Technical power. Our government-approved R&D center is now dedicated to the development of more outstanding products. We have a number of internationally accredited and patent certificates required for production and manufacture. In particular, we are capable of swiftly developing special prototypes tailored to our customers' needs. Productivity. We have invested heavily in the establishment of the latest production facilities to achieve further growth. CNC machining team. We assure elaborate machining and accurate quality. Mold team. We make their molds to maximize productivity and speedily calibrate and develop products. Press working team. We mass produce products with accurate quality. Die casting team. Experienced and skilled engineers guarantee top-notch quality. Our technologies assure quality improvement, and our production capacity facilitates cost reduction, which naturally leads to the supply of affordable products. Inventory competitiveness. Raw materials are provided through diverse supply and demand routes, which contributes to price stability and continued production. Also, due to our stable financial strength, we have enough finished products in stock, so supply can be placed at the same time as customers order. Our technologies and production capacity assure superb quality and highly competitive prices. Provision of accurate information on 7,000 types of products. Please check our website to see all our products. As accurate product information is provided, customers can choose what they want before placing an order. We also have a catalog for our customers' reference. Vision. For the last 40 years, our company has taken only one path. BuyoungMetal will grow into a company that can greatly contribute to the employees' happiness and the community. With quality management and trust management, we will be your partner towards success. Please join us as we work toward becoming a world-class company. BuyoungMetal Co Limited.